This right here, baby, saves my life.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. I need this. How y'all doing? Y'all know I told y'all I was busting out with some good wigs, and speaking of, y'all just make sure y'all subscribe and click that notification bell so you can see every single time I post. I told y'all, I'm trying to make it to 100,000 by the end of the year. Don't play with me. And follow me on Instagram. It's at AlwaysAmeera. Hit me up, okay? We trying to be a family over here. Y'all know for Wine and Wigs Wednesday, first I gotta introduce the wine, then I gotta introduce the wig. Just a little flex on y'all hoes, okay? I think I swallowed some hair. Couldn't get it out. The trials and tribulations. This is a Sonoma-Cutrer Chardonnay wine. So good. She's not cheap at all. If you invest in a good wine, the next day your body will thank you for it. That's just something to take into 2020, girl. But I'm going on and on about this wine. We're gonna get into this wig. So this video was sponsored by WigginsHair.com. Now, WigginsHair.com is an online wig store where you can buy different types of wigs. You have curly wigs, you have straight wigs, you got your little wavy bombshell wigs. You have all types of wigs on their website. And one of the wigs that they've also sent to me, this is the loose deep wave 13x6 lace frontal wig in 22 inches. First of all, admire the hairline, okay? Just take a glimpse at it. Don't stare too hard, okay? Don't hurt your eyes. Now, this hair is 180% density, so she's like regular thickness, but what I do like about this wig is that she came layered when I got her. And then when we got into it, we layered her a little bit more. So it really gave these curls like a really good bounce and made them look more sensual. I don't know. They made them look more romantic. I don't know. What do you call it? So this is what it looks like in the back. This hair, she already came with the bounce and attitude that you needed, but I was trying to mimic something that I saw on Pinterest. Y'all should already know that I cannot cut, but if you have your trusty, where's my tool? This right here, baby, saves my life. If you don't know how to cut hair, this is your best friend. Now, I use my Annie shears sometimes, but when it came to like just cutting this hair and layering this hair, I use this. This is foolproof. Now, unless you a fool, this should be easy for you to learn how to cut hair. Because if I can do it, honey, you can do it. If I can layer the hair, you can layer the hair. So this is a chat with me, cut hair with me, style hair with me video. So if you want to follow along as I styled and cut this wig, please keep on watching, and then I'll be back. This hair is a mess. I wear my wig grip under all of my wigs, because why not? Also, it holds my hair back. Y'all see how frizzy it is. I'm thinking about cutting my hair again. A lot of y'all have gotten to my channel by watch me get my hair cut by Gerald Grady. Let's see if the lace is gonna blend in. Oh, this hair with this is really cute. We're just gonna pull the hair back. I'm gonna use this olive oil fix-it gel. Y'all, I'm still trying to give her a try. I'm not really sure if I'm like in love with her yet. I can't really tell. See, this stuff is like, it's clear. It's not like white. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my hairline and we'll be back. Okay, so I'm applying my lace, but oh, it's curling. Y'all, this lace is put on all wrong. Because I'm over here listening to Summer Walker. Y'all, what was I doing? See, that's why you need to pay attention when you're doing your lace. My shit was all wrinkled and y'all wasn't going to tell me nothing. I need to add a little bit more gel on these ear tabs. Y'all, can y'all tell me if it takes y'all this long? When I'm usually doing like my wigs and stuff like that, I speed it up and I cut out like my mistakes because I don't want my videos to be that long. But big, every single time I put on a lace wig, it's a problem. People be lying when they put on their wigs. Like they make it seem like, oh, I just put on the lace. Girl, it's not an easy process, but it's worth it. So usually when I have like lifted lace, I'll take the end of a rat tail comb and I'll place it in that area. Y'all, these baby hairs about to be insane. These baby hairs about to be touching my eyebrows. Let me get back to Summer Walker and we're gonna finish this wig. Okay, so hopefully this is set. Don't let YouTube fool you. I've been putting on this wig for about an hour. My head shape is not the same as this lace, even though this is like my favorite type of lace like construction when it's like all zigzaggy and stuff. The lace doesn't look good on that side. I think it's because I didn't tint it well on that side, but we'll fix it with makeup. We're gonna do a light layer. Okay, so we already have layers in the front. Please don't mess it up. So I'm gonna take just this area right here. And I'm gonna take a razor comb. Just razor it away. Should I keep going? So we're gonna take like a smaller section in the front, and I'm gonna layer this down. I think I took makeup off my face. Okay. Oh, okay. And then I'm taking a smaller section for the bangs. I'm gonna take a smaller section and we're gonna layer this down. Ooh, y'all, this is about to be something. I want like shorter bangs. I'll take this section. We're just gonna chop into it. Can y'all see how this lace is sticking out? The milk chocolate finish powder to like conceal that. So this is like my contour. The edges of my face are this color because it's a contour. So it's gonna blend right on in. I'm just gonna add that into there. Even though I tinted my lace, I feel like I missed some spots. So just gonna color that on in. If you got this hyped up little situation, you can fix this real quick with a hot comb. It's just the Andis hot comb. Find your part. Just get up in there. So this is the finished look. I thought about styling the hair, but girl, I be teamed too much when I'm doing my wigs. I really just love a super sexy hair that looks like she's done, but she's not really done. And this wig is just the perfect wig for that. If you have any questions about this hair, please leave them down below. Do y'all have any tips on how to layer hair? I'm a baby hair layerer. I don't know what I'm doing, basically. So if you have advice for me and people like me out there, please leave it down below. We teach and reach each other in my comment section. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Start that back over. Run it back. I don't say bye without my wine. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.